Ready to go to your car, but I don't like going in this goddamn garage.
Alright.
They're in here every fucking time. Hear that? Do you hear that?
God damn, it's still down here.
What the hell was that sound? Hey! Look! Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. Come on, yeah. Just go slow. You don't know what he's gonna do, okay?
Oh shit! What the fuck's this guy
It's
doing?
the same shit every time.
Oh no!
Get out of here. Oh, shit! Alright, just park and wait, okay? Get your phone out, we gotta call the fucking police.